Knockout roses are the perfect way to add a pop of color to any landscape. Whether planting near a fence or in a garden bed, they're sure to be a total knockout to any viewer. My name is Macy, and this is Potting and Planting from FastGrowingTrees.com. Today, we'll be freshening up my friend's front of the house with my gardening favorite, double knockout roses. In this episode, you'll learn how to plant your roses as well as best practices for helping them thrive in your landscape. So why are they double knockout roses? Double knockout roses give you all the benefits of the original knockout roses, but with even more petals. Who doesn't love that? If you're familiar with these roses at all, you know that they have one of the longest blooming times from early summer through the late fall, making them a must-have for any color-filled landscape. There are countless ways to incorporate roses into your home's landscape. From integrating them into your flower bed or growing them into a hedge, it's truly up to you. Keep in mind the work that comes with roses. Roses are not drought tolerant. They require pruning to maintain their appearance. It may sound like a lot, but don't let that deter you. The beauty that comes with these roses far outweighs the work. Before digging, make sure you select a spot where they can thrive. These rose bushes have been grown to thrive in 6 to 8 hours of sun, and you can even plant them in containers, however they prefer a well-drained soil. I'll be planting here along the house. We're on a relatively high hill, and the added gutters along either side allow for the soil to be perfectly suited for roses. In addition to the rose bushes, there are a few things we'll need to get the job done. A shovel, mulch, and gardening gloves. Trust me, when planting rose bushes, gloves are a must-have. When it comes to planting rose bushes, you'll want to plant each bush at least 3 feet apart. Dig a hole that's twice as wide and just as deep as the root ball of the rose you intend to plant. Backfill the hole until you have a hole that's approximately the size of the container the rose is currently in. Insert the rose into the hole. Ensure it's at the same depth as it is in the container, then backfill the hole and tamp down the dirt. Water the roses around the base using a garden hose. Avoid watering overhead since watering on the plant can cause disease. You'll want to water at the base of the plant when the soil is dry to the touch 2 inches down. Finally, we'll mulch over the area to ensure the soil can retain moisture. This will also help prevent unwanted weeds. And just like that, we're done. Guys, I cannot believe how great this looks. It's truly amazing what some plants and a little bit of hard work will do to bring a new look to your home. With all that work invested in your roses, it's important to maintain them. While double knockout roses are resistant to pests, it's still important to feed them with an organic rose fertilizer once per month. You can carefully prune your roses each year in late winter or early spring to maintain size and encourage proper branching and bud development. When you do prune, ensure you are using a sterilized pair of gardening shears for a cleaner, healthier cut. That's all for today's episode of Potting and Planting with FastGrowingTrees.com. If you guys have any questions about roses, don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more potting and planting videos just like this.